Okay, today we're going to make a Canva. We're going to make a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. It's so easy to make thumbnails with Canva. You launch Canva. This is the Canva desktop app. I'm a pro user. You click create design and you look for YouTube thumbnail. And they have different types. So if you are a specific type of influencer, it'll just give you templates that kind of meets your needs. I like to do live streams, so I'm going to do, let's see this one, tutorial YouTube thumbnail. So since we're doing a tutorial, let's do a thumbnail for this tutorial while we do the tutorial. Okay, so once you select it, it gives you a blank untitled document. You can rename it. I'm naming it the title of the video, so there you go. Then there's templates here and styles here. And what's great about Canva is you can filter. So here are the templates and you can say, okay, I want pink or I want purple, and it'll give you all the purple ones that you want. Find the template that you like and drag it. So now you have this template. Easy thumbnail for YouTube. And obviously you put your own picture. So your own pictures will be in the upload section. So here's my picture. I'm gonna replace that guy. And you can resize things, so that's too big. And that's it. There's your thumbnail. As for YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 with a 16:19 aspect ratio and a minimum width of 640 pixels. The file size should be 2 megabytes or less. When you use the Canva template, it'll automatically make it a 16:9 aspect ratio, so you don't have to worry about that. It's great to start from there. And then when you export it, 1280 by 720, you go to share and download. Here, it's already giving you the size of the template. I like to make mine a little bit bigger, which could be fine so long as it doesn't go bigger than 2 megabytes. You can do all pages, which then it will download it as a zip file, or you can just say I only want one page and then just download the one page. So we're just going to download the one page, and Canva is going to ask you where do you want to save it, and you pick a folder to save it in. And that's basically it. Now you want to keep this as template so that every time you come, you just replace this and make all your different thumbnails using the same format. So we'll close the notes section. This, I'm going to make it public so you can just come to this tutorial and edit it and make it your own.